Today, I am reviewing the Rabbit Air A3 SPA 1000N. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Investing in a premium air purifier is fundamentally an investment in your daily health, sleep quality, and home comfort. While the market is flooded with cheap, boxy plastic units that rattle and take up valuable floor space, the Rabbit Air A3 SPA 1000N stands out as an absolute masterpiece of engineering and design. After putting this unit through its paces, it becomes immediately clear that this is not just another appliance. It is a highly sophisticated, medical-grade air purification system that blends seamlessly into a modern lifestyle while delivering top-tier performance. One of the most immediate points of praise belongs to the physical design and architectural flexibility of the unit. Traditionally, large-room air purifiers are bulky eyesores that you constantly trip over. The A3 completely subverts this by winning multiple prestigious international design awards, including the Red and IF Awards, for form factor that is incredibly sleek and visually elegant. More importantly, it is completely wall-mountable. By lifting the unit off the floor, you eliminate tripping hazards entirely, keep it safely away from curious toddlers or pets, and reclaim your floor space. It looks more like a high-end piece of modern tech or minimalist art than an air filter. When it comes to pure air scrubbing capability, the mechanical engineering under the hood is truly phenomenal. It features a robust, customizable 6-stage filtration system that is engineered to handle massive open spaces up to 1,070 square feet. To put its power into perspective, this machine moves an astonishing 8,560 cubic feet of air every 30 minutes. The filtration process begins with a washable permanent pre-filter that handles large dust bunnies and hair, followed by a medium filter. The core of the system relies on the advanced Allergies HEPA filter, which outperforms traditional HEPA standards by capturing ultra-fine particles down to 0.1 microns with greater than 99% efficiency. This includes trapped bacteria, viruses, mold, and microscopic allergens. What makes this specific version so spectacular for households with animals is the specialized pet allergy filter layer, combined with a dual-hive activated carbon filter. This combination does an exceptional job of capturing floating pet dander, trapping heavy animal hair, and chemically neutralizing stubborn litter box odors, cooking smells, and volatile organic compounds. A major concern with heavy-duty air purifiers is the disruptive noise they generate, but the acoustic engineering on the A3 is remarkably impressive. On its lowest setting, it operates at a mere 20.3 decibels. This is a whisper-quiet level of performance that completely fades into the background. You can place this right next to a newborn's crib or your own bed, and you will completely forget it is even running, ensuring your family sleeps completely undisturbed while breathing pristine air all night. Even when the air quality drops and the fan ramps up to high speed to clear out smoke or kitchen odors, the sound remains a smooth, non-intrusive rush of air rather than a harsh mechanical whine. The smart features and everyday usability have also been thought through carefully. The unit features built-in 3-element sensing for particles, odors, and ambient light. In auto mode, the purifier actively monitors your air quality in real time and adjusts the fan speed instantly without requiring any manual intervention. For example, if you fry food in the kitchen, the laser sensors detect the spike in particles immediately and kick the machine into high gear until the air is clear. At night, the light sensor detects when the room goes dark and automatically dims the control panel and mood lighting, preventing annoying light pollution in a dark bedroom. Managing the system over the long term is incredibly low maintenance. The advanced design allows you to run the machine 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a filter life that lasts a full 12 months. There is no guesswork involved in maintenance either, thanks to near-field communication technology built into the filters. This allows the smart app to accurately track filter life and tell you exactly when it is time for a swap. The companion app also grants full control over custom scheduling, fan speeds, and beautiful mood lighting customization from anywhere. Backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty and stellar technical support, the Rabbit Air A3 justifies every penny of its premium price tag. For anyone seeking a powerful, silent, space-saving, and highly customized solution to eliminate pet allergies, dust, and toxins, this air purifier is an exceptional investment that delivers unparalleled peace of mind and noticeably fresher air.